In this video, you'll learn how to integrate Canva with Mailchimp for effective email design. By following these steps, you will establish a connection between your Canva and Mailchimp, allowing you to create and share custom designs seamlessly within your email campaigns. Begin by opening your web browser and navigating to the Mailchimp website. Once there, ensure that you are on the home page where you should see various options related to your Mailchimp account. Look for the integrations option, which is typically found in the left-hand navigation menu. Clicking on this will take you to the integrations section. After accessing the integration section, locate the search bar. Here, type in Canva and press enter. The system will then display results related to Canva, allowing you to find the integration option quickly. Ensure that you see the Canva integration listed among the results before proceeding. Next, click on the Canva option that appears in the search results. This action will direct you to a page dedicated to the Canva integration, where you can find more information about the features and benefits of connecting these two platforms. You should see a message indicating that you can create custom designs in Canva and share them in Mailchimp once the connection is established. Once you are on the Canva integration page, you will see a button labeled Connect. Click on this button to initiate the connection process. After clicking, the system may take a moment to process your request, so wait for the next screen to load completely before continuing. After the connection request is processed, you will be prompted to review your settings. Click on the option labeled Let's Review Your Settings. This step is crucial as it ensures that you are aware of the permissions you are granting to Mailchimp regarding your Canva data. At this point, you will need to sign into your Canva account. A message will appear asking you to log in and give consent for Mailchimp to access your data. Enter your Canva credentials and follow any prompts that appear to complete the sign-in process. This step is essential for establishing the connection between the two platforms. After successfully signing in, review your data sync settings as prompted. This allows you to confirm which data Mailchimp will have access to from your Canva account. Ensure that everything looks correct before moving forward. Next, you may see a message indicating that the system is bringing in your Canva data. This process may take a few moments depending on your internet speed and the amount of data being synced. Be patient while the system completes this task. Once the data has been successfully synced, you will see a confirmation message. Click on the Continue button to finalize the integration process. It is important to ensure that your internet connection remains stable during this step to avoid any interruptions. Finally, if prompted again, log in to your Canva account to complete the setup. A message indicating that the system is setting up your connection may appear. Wait for this process to finish, and once it is complete, your Canva account will be fully integrated with Mailchimp. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.